Culture shock. When I first arrived in the USA, I was just 16 years old. I had gone there to live with a host family and attend high school for 1 year. When the plane touched down in San Francisco, I was exhilarated to finally be in America. I had participated in a 2-day preparatory meeting before leaving Kazakstan, but that wasn't enough to prevent the culture shock I experienced. Culture shock is not just the phase of confusion, frustration, and homesickness that comes before adjusting to a foreign culture. It also includes the feelings of novelty and excitement that begin on arrival. During this period, every experience felt new and exciting. However, a couple of months in, things started to feel kind of odd. I started missing home. I began having negative thoughts more frequently. Thoughts like nobody understands me here because my English isn't good enough. I would often get frustrated with the silliest things. Over the next few months, a sense of belonging replaced the disorientation. I learned how to adapt to the stress of unfamiliar situations. My English improved dramatically, and I ventured out into new social circles, where I made a lot of new friends. As my understanding of American culture grew, everything started to fall into place. I felt comfortable in my new home. I adopted new traits, and slowly the American me and the Kazakh me became one person. So how did I bring this transformation about? Here's the trick. I put myself out there. It's as simple as that. Talk to people, develop a routine, and find people who share your interests. But most of all, remember to pack your sense of humor when you go.